Hi guys, so today I think I'm gonna trade some fidgets. These are all I brought to trade. So let's get started. Okay, so I think I'm gonna trade this poppet. And a snapper. And this infinity cube. I think some people offer good. Trading poppet, infinity cube, and snapper. Going once, going twice, going 3 times, going 4 times, going 5 times. Really? No, me. I want to offer.
Well, okay, what's your offer then?
Okay, so I'm gonna offer you this yellow pop tube, this pink slime, this marble mesh, this tangle, and this little mini poppet. I know it has 2 holes in it, but it's still pretty good. Will you do it? I don't know. That's good, but could you add like 5? No, sorry. 2 more things, or 2 or 3 more things, and I'll accept. Okay. Okay, well, I'll offer you this squishmallow, this jumbo needle, and this water snake. Okay, that's definitely a good deal. Okay, here you go. Auntie, thank you so much. Here you go.